Hassan MP, Prajwal Revanna, accused of sexual abuse by numerous women, was arrested by Karnataka Police upon his arrival at Bengaluru's Kempegowda International Airport early on May 31st. The Special Investigation Team and Bengaluru Police had prepared for his arrest on Thursday after receiving information from Interpol. Prajwal's flight landed in Bengaluru at 12:49 am on Friday, having departed from Munich, Germany at 12:05 pm local time on Thursday. He was taken into custody by the SIT and escorted by female police officers to Bowring and Lady Curzon Hospital for a medical examination. The 33-year-old MP had claimed that his trip to Berlin was pre-planned and there was no case against him on April 26th when Hassan went to Polls. Later, the SIT issued a notice to Prajwal Revanna's mother, Bhavani Revanna, for questioning regarding a case filed under IPC sections 64A, 365, 109, 120B. She has been requested to be present at her house in Holenarasipur on June 1st. A special court for people's representatives has remanded Prajwal Revanna to 6 days of police custody in the sexual abuse case. Additionally, the Karnataka High Court has postponed the hearing on a petition filed by Prajwal Revanna's father and JDS leader HD Revanna until June 3rd. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for most updates.